Let's see how we can generate images with HIDREAM. We'll go to the image generation section and I'll show you how it works. First, we have a keyword section. This is used to tell the AI exactly what we want our image to be. Instead of giving a full prompt, we'll use keywords and can add tags. To make this easier, we'll type what we want to generate here, and it'll give us keywords that will help create the exact image we're looking for. We'll click Use Keyword, and it'll put everything here, giving us the full prompt, just like that. We now have an AI helper, and then we add tags. What are tags for? This section allows us to specify exactly how we want the image created. How? We have a color panel where we can switch between different shades for the exact contrast we want. If it glitches, like if you go to color, then stylographic, and the text stays the same while images change, go back to favorites, then stylographic again, and it should update the text properly. You can choose from many stylographic options. As you can see, there are tons. I'll use the immersive design, and you can do this for each section. You've got perspectives, composition, hairstyle, a bit of everything you might want. We can even adjust the quality settings for our final image output. This level of customization is truly incredible. After adding all these tags, we could upload a reference image, but we won't in this case as it's not necessary. Now we just need to set the image size we want to use, whether it's 16:9:3:4 or 4:3. In my case, I'll use 3:4. We could input a seed for a specific result, but it's usually left at 0 for a random seed, giving you a unique image. So I recommend leaving it as is. Lastly, choose the number of images to generate from 1 to 4. Note that you can only create 2 for free at a time. With this prompt from the bot and all our specifications set, let's hit generate and start creating the images. As you can see, these 2 final results are exactly what we asked for. As you can see, the quality isn't the best right now. It's not exceptional because I've activated relaxed mode due to limited credits. Still, the result is incredible, and as you've seen, it's free. It's mind-blowing, really. I just set these colors for an autumn theme. As you can see, red maple leaf, immersive design, silhouette composition, and ultra definition. Exactly what it created. A super interesting feature is that it gives us tips to improve our prompts and generate better images, plus the magic words we've used. It shows the full seed of what we've generated, and we can convert it to video, download it, or upload it to the app. So this is how you can generate images, how the software works. It's not the simplest, and how you can create custom high quality designs. Let's see how we can generate videos from an image with HIDREAM. This section works similarly to images, but with some differences. Why? First, we need to upload an image. We'll set the aspect ratio we want. As you can see, we can change it. We'll click OK. Now we'll write what we want to happen in the video. As always, we'll use the prompt robot. What's this for? It helps us create a full prompt with keywords. We tell it what we want and it generates a perfect prompt. We'll input our idea, click OK, and it generates the prompt. Next, we have an expression section where we can upload a reference video. Now comes the killer feature, the motion brush. What's this for? With the sports brush, we can select parts of the image to animate, adding a trajectory to the chosen section. We can use an arrow to guide the animation, customizing it to our liking for maximum personalization. This isn't strictly necessary, but you can do it for full customization. Let's try without it and then adjust the video intensity. Increasing intensity adds more movement, decreasing reduces it. We'll set it to 12, not too high. We can also set a seed. Certain seeds generate images we prefer. We can add negative prompts to avoid unwanted elements in the result. Anyway, this doesn't matter right now. Let's hit generate and see how it starts creating the video. It even shows us the estimated time it'll take. Now we'll have to wait for the final result. As we can see, it's just arrived, so let's take a look. Look at the final result. The feet might need work, but notice how it captures the snow, detects the hair, and moves the cape. It's really impressive. We could improve it by requesting 4K. Inside, we can see the seed size and process details. We could add it to favorites to save it or upload it for others to see our result. That's all you can do. As you see, this AI can create amazing videos, images, and edit. It does it all. Let's see how we can create videos from text. We'll go to the text to video section where the magic begins. First, we need to enter a prompt describing what we want to happen in this video. We'll use the prompt suggestion tool, which you can see right here. Basically, we'll tell it what we want to create in this image. It'll then describe and create an ideal prompt for us. After entering what we want, we'll hit enter. It'll think and give us the exact words to generate it in the best way possible. With this generated, we'll use keywords, and it'll directly send us the prompt it has created. Next, we'll adjust the intensity of the exercise. Increasing it will generate more movement in the image, and decreasing it will reduce movement. Let's try with a bit of movement in the middle, not too much or too little, and finally we'll decide on the graphic style we want to use. I'll leave it at 16 or more. You can set it to 16 or 1.1. Lastly, we could choose a seed to get specific results. Leaving it blank will use a random seed, which is normal and recommended. That's what I suggest. And finally, we could add a negative prompt. This helps us specify what we don't want in the image. If there's something specific we don't want, something it keeps doing, we tell it, and this way we avoid it with all this setup. Let's generate it, and as we see, it's already created the video we requested. There's the elephant in the water I asked for, and it's not bad, though it has some flaws that could be improved. As you see, to finish, you can have it do the same or enhance to 4K. We can also add negatives if we want to improve certain things, but the result, as you see, is quite good for a text to video. I haven't seen any text to video that produces such good results, and here you could download it or save it as a favorite if you want. So that's how we could do text to video using HIDREAM.